I dobroveče, dobrodošli, sa vama je Temi Ranger. Danas radimo reakciju na YouTube pub Kung Fu Panda Adventure i sigurno će vam biti znači, smešno ili ono, znači od Vo Mimis, shout out i nadam se da će vam biti sve smešno i zbudljivo, znači kad krenemo u ovu epizodu. I ono, za 3, 2, 1.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Legend tells of a legend whose kung fu skills were the skills of a legend. He traveled the land in search of the land.
Help.
I see you like to chew. I see you like to chew. Maybe.
Čekaj malo.
You like to chew.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Maybe you should chew on my fist. Fist. The warrior said nothing. Then he swallowed. And then he spoke. Enough talk. Let's fight.
Get up! You'll be late for work!
What?
Oh! Wake the fuck up! What are you
Jao, brate.
doing up there?
Huh?
What were you dreaming about?
What was I? I was dreaming about, noodles.
Noodles?
Noodles.
Noodles? When I was young,
No shit, Sherlock.
crazy, and learning how to make tofu.
So why didn't you?
Oh, because it was a stupid dream. Can you imagine me making tofu? Tofu. No. We all have our place in this world. Mine is tofu, and yours is...
I know. Is here.
No, it's a table 2, 5, 7, and 12. Service with a smile.
Ok, Master Shifu, to već... Ja sad samo ću da čutim, ali ajde.
朋友是
Awaken.
Well done, students. If you were trying to disappoint me, Tiger stupid, monkey, crane, fucked up, viper, snake, mantis, Master Shifu. What?
You son of a...
The answer become. But who? Who is worthy to be trusted with the secret to limitless to become? I don't know.
Bro, bro, brate.
Sorry. What? Wow, Master Dragon choosing Uguay Warrior today! Yay!
Everyone, get the fuck out of here!
That's my boy.
Wow.
O Ohoho, brate, koliko dugo ima.
One eternity later.
Almost there.
What?
I refused.
Okay.
Blades of death.
I sense the dragon warrior is among us.
Among Us. Among Us. Among Us.
Well, shit.
Oh. Oh, brat.
What's going on?
Where the fuck am
Oh! Okay. Oh! Sorry. I just wanted to see who the dragon was.
Master, are you
Stupid.
are you pointing at me?
Him.
Who?
Me.
Him.
Who?
Oh shit.
You.
Who?
You.
Me.
You.
Me.
Who?
Him.
Me?
Me.
You.
Me?
You.
Who?
Me.
Him.
Who?
The universe has brought us the universe. Whoa.
What? What?
What?
The sword of Megaboost. Said to be so sharp you can cut yourself just by looking. The invisible trident of destiny.
Okay.
Hello. Have you finished sightseeing?
Sorry, I should have come to see you first.
My patience is wearing thin.
Oh, I mean, it's not like you were going anywhere.
Would you turn around?
Sure. Hey, how's it going? Now, how do you get five?
Ovo je ko, brate, ovo je ko da si vidio Kratos, the God of War, brate.
Escape from Chorgum prison is impossible.
Did I step on the Woody Kitty's tail?
You serious?
So you're the legendary dragon.
I guess so.
Wrong. You're a dragon warrior. You will not the warrior and you're a dragon scroll.
What the fuck?
You think it's that easy? Wrong. One, clearly impossible. If that one, you.
Someone like me?
Yes. Look at you. This fat.
You're sensitive.
And this ridiculous belly. For personal hygiene.
Now wait a minute.
Don't stand that close. I can smell your breath.
The whooshy finger hold?
Oh, you know this hold?
Yes.
The hardest part is cleaning up afterwards. Let's begin.
Wait. What? Now?
Yes. Now.
Now?
Yes.
Now?
Now.
Hit it. Monkey style.
Fucking idiot.
Come at you.
Would you hit it?
Prepared to die.
Okay.
Great.
Oh, hey, hi. You're.
Am now.
I was just, someday, huh?
I've had a long and rather disappointing. Yeah.
Of course.
Okay. Thanks.
Of course. I'm stop. And then you just. Ooh, sorry about that.
Nigga, what the
fucking idiot.
What was that?
You have found a sacred peach tree of heavenly wisdom.
Oh, is that what this is? I am so sorry. I thought it was just a regular.
I understand. You understand. You are you when you upset. So why are you? Eat when you are you.
I probably suck history of Kung Fu and the history of Sus Dragon Warrior.
Bruh.
Don't.
Bruh.
Yesterday,
You said tomorrow.
tomorrow isn't tomorrow, but today is a bullshit. That is why it is called the present.
Wake the fuck up!
Good morning, Master.
Panda! 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 Wake up!
Gone. Who will be the panda?
What are you doing here?
Ah! Hi! Good morning, Master.
You're stuck.
Stuck? Nah. What? Stuck? Nah. This is one of my. I'm stuck.
Idiot.
It takes years to develop one's flexibility. And years longer to apply it in combat. Put the fat down. The only souvenirs we collect. Put the fat down. Put the fat down.
Scary as fucker. Hushin province. But you're a
brate.
lousy tipper.
So, how'd you get out of there alive?
What?
Hope you like it.
What are you talking about? This is
Pretty good.
Wow, you're a really good cook.
I wish my mouth was bigger.
Tigress. You tigress. Universe. Zeus.
Oh, nothing. Master Shishu.
You'll never be the Dragon Warrior unless you lose 100 pounds and brush your hair. What is that noise you're making?
Jao, brate, šta je ovo? Jao, brate.
Maybe someday you will have ears. Shit!
Ears.
It's Shifu!
Ears.
Shifu!
Ears.
Shifu!
Ears.
Ooh! Master Shish! Tai Lung has escaped
Master-
from prison.
Master
He is
Shish.
coming for the Dragon Scroll, and you are the only one who can stop you.
Ti si jedini koji te može zaustaviti. Šta? Za...
What the fuck is this shit?
Jebote.
I just thought you might be cookies. He hides his almond monkey on the top shelf.
Holy fucking shit!
Don't tell monkey. Look at you.
Yeah, I know.
Cocksucker! No, I mean,
Don't you get him, do? Hey, do you?
and yet you are 10 feet off the ground and have done a perfect split out.
No, this? It's just a this? Accident.
Accidents. There are accidents. Come with me.
Drag me all the way out here.
Panda, we do not wash our pits in the pool of sacred tears. We wash our pits in the pit's tears. Do you want to learn Kung Fu? No! Then I am a man.
Okay.
When you focus on focus, when you concentrate, you stink. No.
What?
You are free to eat. Enjoy. I said you were free to eat.
Bitch.
Enjoy.
Are you?
Round one. Fight!
Nope. Stop!
I'm not hungry.
Čekaj, kako je bilo? I don't know where the fuck they are. Sad čekaj malo, iz početka, samo iz početka.
Where's the mean warrior?
How do you know you're looking at you?
You think I'm a fucking idiot?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
I know you're not. You're none.
Bowie. So that is his name.
Boy!
Finally, a worthy opponent. Our battle will be battle.
Fight now!
Sheesh.
You have done well, done.
Done well?
Done well.
Done well?
Done well.
Done well? Well. I've done awesome.
The truth of a Mark hero is Mark. But yes, yes, you have done.
Boy!
Fucking idiot.
Guys! They're dead! No, they're dead!
They're asleep.
No, they're dead!
For his nerve attack.
He has gotten stronger.
Stronger?
He's too fast!
Why didn't he? So you could come, but it won't work. Behold the Dragon Ball. Focus. 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 Read it and come.
And come.
Thank you. Okay, here goes. It's blank. What? Who? Buddy, I am the Buddy Warrior. You? Him? He's a panda. You're a panda.
Are you sure about that?
I'm gonna use this.
Finally.
Boy.
I'm dying.
Finally. The power of the Dragon Ball is mine, you idiot.
Pornhub, naravno.
Schluss mit wochenlangem Stress und Unsicherheit beim Gebrauchtwagenkauf. Dank Auto Hero wird Autokaufen endlich einfach. Wir wählen alle Autos sorgfältig aus und bereiten jedes nach höchsten Qualitätsstandards auf. So macht Autokaufen endlich Spaß. Finde dein Traumauto jetzt auf autohero.com.
Long ago, in ancient Lorne, the Cox ruled over fucking city. They brought darkness and horror and darkness and sinners, for they had invented fire. Lorne, she foretold.
Doveli su samo tamu i prokletstvo. Šta?
That if Shen continued path, he would be defeated by a warrior of black Cox.
Ja ću biti poražen od tog ratnika.
Ma'am.
Listen, you can hear the Dragon Warrior training right now.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Yes!
You'll save those for me, right?
You what?
Hey, you.
Šta bre, šta?
Finally awake.
No shit, Einstein.
Inner cease.
Inner sis. Inner sis.
Inner cease.
Master Sheeshfield. Master Sheeshfield.
Whoa! Oh! Inner Cease.
Inner
The day you were
Cease.
chosen as Dragon
Inner Cease.
Warrior was the worst day of my life. So mind-destroying, horrible moment I have ever experienced. But once I realized the problem was not you, but with you in me.
Okay, what?
I found inner memes.
Bandits!
Where's right there?
Danger.
Don't worry, Sheesh. I'll master inner peace as soon as I get back.
No snack stops this time.
Where? Wings of Justice!
Već kraj.
Dragon Warrior!
That's impossible.
My fist hungers for booties. Those my
Brass. Fuck! I hope you're ready! You
A, ma daj.
Feet to feet!
朋友是
Bunny!
What? In honor of my son, free tofu for everybody! With purchases. Oh, it's so good to see you, Poe. Whoa. Oh, so...
no, that's okay.
Yeah?
Where did I come from?
What are you doing?
How do I say this? Who the fuck are you? No. There's gotta be more, Dad.
Well, there was the time you fucked my bamboo furniture.
You what? Dragon Warriors.
Oh, Poe.
No. What the fuck?
Ball of dope pushers. OGs come do damage.
Please leave my house.
Your house?
Yes, leave my house.
Your
Leave my house. Leave my house.
Did you see the cock on the front door?
No.
What's in the box, Shen?
You want to see? It's a gift.
Ooh.
Shush.
That is a warning. You are no match for luck.
What the fuck?
O, brate. Osjećam se žalostno baš za tom nosorogu. A mogao je.
Noodles.
Šta je bre to bilo?
Inner seas.
I am ready.
Okay. So. That's severely cool. Oh. I just found out that my dad isn't really my dad.
Your dad, the Zeus. That must have been quite a shock.
We're warriors, right? Balls of steel. Like you.
That must be Shen's palace on the other side of the city.
Great. We'll march into the tower and proclaim, "We are the..." And we are... Stealth mode.
Ja iskreno plačem, počinjem da plačem od smeha ovoga.
What am I doing? What am I doing?
Now where there's noodles... Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. Anyway. Sorry. Hey. Hey.
What the fuck?
What? Concentrate on me, please. Medium left wrong. Medium left.
Pac-Man! Ovo je Pac-Man, bre.
Spread out! Search everywhere! What about over there? Fucking idiot! I guess.
Sorry, Poe, it's just me.
Oh, it's cute.
Wanna buy some drugs?
FBI!
Open up.
Nice one.
At the first sign of trouble, I'll give you a signal.
You mean like Crane does?
Yeah.
The ferocious Master Cock!
The Mr. Cock.
No problem. Gotta be a key around here. No, they wouldn't leave a key around here. Oh, good. You found it. Come on, you guys. Yeah! Where do... Ha! Coming for you, Shash!
Unstoppable weapon.
You've unstoppable except for me. See when I'm stopping you from me. Well, except you. Unstoppable from you. Telling you something's unstoppable. Master Fox, I'm not letting you stay in this cell.
I'd like to see you get me out.
You guys see that? It's called smoke weed. Come
Kung Fu is dead.
Monkey! Your mom!
I'll tell you what's gonna be yours. My fist in your... Uh-oh. Good day for us. Now go! Perfect. Get that motherfucker. What the fuck?
Hello?
We've lost it. Mantis, now!
I'm fast as fuck, boy!
Whoa! Whoa! Woo!
Is that all you got? Because it feels like I'm fighting a your mother. Well, this cloud is about to bring the thunder. Thunder. Feel the thunder. Your turn. Many.
Yes! Fuck you!
Holy fuck. Guess nobody told you. You mess with the wolf. You mess with the wolf.
What?
You can chain my body, but you will never.
Hey, don't forget the little guy.
Why did you call me?
Yeah!
Greetings, Panda. At last we meet.
Ja, warte.
Feel the ball!
You were there.
Yes.
Šta radi, bre, on?
Oh, no, he's got way more.
The year of the cock begins now.
Right now?
Now.
Right now? And this year is year of cock.
The fuck?
Get the wolves ready. We're loading ships now.
Disc of destruction!
What? Okay.
What? Šta? Šta? Šišfu. Šišfu.
What? Fire! The fire is on!
But sir!
Fire!
Tigress.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
You stupid fucking cock.
Kill him now.
Do it.
Inesis.
Your mother! Give it a button down!
Ok, une 6. 6! Ok, sad radimo Kung Fu Boy Dry Benders.
Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any.
You're sweating. Relax. Take a deep breath.
Just start without me. We'll catch you up. Welcome.
Go, Dragon Warrior! Defend the valley!
Shut the fuck up! You guys aren't doing the dramatic pause, are you?
One, you just fuck off!
You guys never underestimate the power of a dramatic entrance. I've heard about some masters who can win a fight just by throwing open a door.
Kako ne rekao shut the fuck up. Mislim, stvarno, kako...
Defend the valley!
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, majko mila.
I've heard about some masters who can win a fight just by throwing open a door.
Šta? Šta?
Dramatic entrance. Master Shifu. The Dragon Warrior is Dragon Warrior.
Why not Tigress? She's always telling everyone what to do.
For a master. For instance, let me show you another move. The dramatic exit. What's that? I think he heard us.
I didn't hear him.
He said...
Brate. Ja, ne mogu više.
I'm sorry, anyway. Anyway. Sorry.
Je to bio senator? Ja učinio mi se sam vidio senator.
Sorry.
Da, jeste senator.
You think that?
I don't know why you ever thought I could teach that class.
Oh, I knew you could. Bitch, you think that is the sauce the great Master Uwe saw for you? A 5-year prophecy fulfilled, so you could spend your days kicking butt and running through town high-fiving butts. I'm not trying to turn you into me. I'm trying to turn you into me.
Turn me into me? Wait a second, that makes no... Almost there, Shifu, just a little more confusing and you'll be the next Stugway. Oh, sorry, no offense, Master...
If I f you, would you die?
Yes?
What is this place?
My brothers.
The rice fields, motherfucker!
No. Die. Mortal. The mortal, immortal realm. You hear that, Uwe?
I am dead!
I'm back. Khan has returned! Who?
Cock. General Cock.
Supreme Warlord of all China. The Gas Slayer. Master of Windows.
The S Slayer.
Doc. You may know me as the Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast.
I am ready.
What? Oh no! It's the dragon teacher! Yeah, he's...
Mother fucking piece of shit!
Thank you for the compliment.
Paul?
Oh, hey, Dad. That's just,
Noodles. Okay. What's
nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Bitch. I come home to find Holmes, and instead of adding sauce to the salted water, you just added salt to one pepper salt and sesame.
You fucked up.
Why are you still here taking a bath like a frowning baby? Get out! Get out! What about the trout? Get out! Go! Go! What about the
eating contest? I have to defend my cause.
No one's gonna beat your ass eating record.
Someone's about to beat your eating record.
Holy shit, what a fuck.
Who's eating my ass?
And who's paying?
I'm Li Shan.
What?
I'm Li. I'm looking for my sus.
You lost your sauce.
Yeah. Many years ago.
I lost my auto. Do you think I care? Thank you. I hope you find your sauce.
And I hope you find your fuff.
Oh, non è capire da segni drugi.
Sus? Oh my gosh!
I can't believe I just peed a little.
You come. Oh, thank you. Thank you for taking such good care of my sus.
Your sus? How do we know this stranger is even related to you?
I can't believe we're taking a picture together.
Huh?
Wow.
Now.
Wow.
What's
Ne!
all this about a dragon wall?
Ne.
How did you know
Ne, nisam to hteo, jao. Ne. Šta je bilo?
Now. What's all this about a dragon wall?
How did you know I was in Two? Did the universe tell you that? Two?
No, the poster did. And the kick shot. I bought a tiny cup.
You gotta. Yeah, there's so much to show you. You're gonna be so up. You have panda asthma too? Oh, yeah? Dad. Dad. You're gonna love this.
There.
I'm fine. This is the Hall of
Legendary legend.
The Hall of Heroes. Home of the most priceless comics in all of China. Whoa. Be super careful. Everything's very fragile here. Like the whispering of whispering. Master Shishku. Someone broke that. Wow. Dad, check it out. Dad, Smasher's crossbow. The infamous Noodles Smasher. Dad, look at this. The battle helmets of Master Rat-Tat. They're so tiny. Check it out. Hawk of Emperor Hawk.
Sweet. Whoa. I wonder what this does. I should pull it.
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV Protective System.
Wow. I'm fine. Go along, Sauce. Oh.
Trust me, it'll be more fun just to watch me.
Fuck. Enemies. Noodles. Prepare for war. What are you?
Lizard Man.
You kidding me?
You fucking dick! Always
What's the deal with the green?
Jo, ne! Ovo se sećam baš. I'm a farmer, znači, ovih godinama kad se sećam, kad nisam video to, jo, ko mali, jo, jer se iko seća to, brate, I'm a farmer, Lizo, znači, jebote, od kad dugo nisam video to.
Jade zombies.
I can't believe it, you done that.
Josh! Yeah, you ain't no competition for Josh! Oh! Whoa, I recognize these guys! The Master Basher twins! With their crushing the bong technique!
Message from the universe. I'll give you a message from the universe.
Steven!
Stay away from my sauce.
And then poof! Serious food, what was that? Cock. Who the fuck? Where is it? There's so much sauce in here, I can't find anything. Yes. Behold. All the answers will... Behold. All the answers will be found within. It's out.
Are you kidding me?
Master Shifa! It is written in Uguay's hand. Long ago. I had long ago.
My friend carried my coca for days. He ain't looking for help. Until we came to a secret village, high in the village, an ancient place of heat, a village of
Odang Mimirs.
Yes, Papas who used the power of to heal me. Yes, they taught me how to give.
Wow.
But Kak wanted the sauce all to himself. Our battle shook the noodle until finally I banished Kak to the fucking band. Should he ever return to the immortal rare, he can only be stopped
By a true
fact
of... Like you!
Me.
I can barely make a flower bloom. I need at least 30 more years. And a carrot. I can teach you, Sauce. You can do this? No! That must be why the universe sent you here. Oh. So what do I have to do? You have to come. What? You must rediscover what it is to be a bee.
No, I want a second opinion.
I think you should go. Dad, you heard what Dad said. Uguay heard what Shifu said. Uguay heard what you said. You said.
Bitch, what?
I can only be stopped by Master and I can only master by knowing who I really am. Well, I'm a cocksucker.
I'll pack road for your lunch.
Ho can master in time?
No.
I shrink.
It only matters what the universe thinks.
Who the fuck are you, bitch?
So that's a no?
You are going to find out where Kai is. Says, but do not engage, for with every fight you engage, Kai becomes harder into Kai stronger.
Why me? Is it because I asked?
No, it is just because.
Šta?
Should have kept your.
No, it is just because.
Should have kept your.
Shut and take Mantis.
Huh?
Oh, man!
Is it because I.
Small.
Oh, lunch break. You don't need to ask me twice. Dad? Says. Dad?
Yes?
What are you doing here?
Making crowding tofu? Did you have to step on every rock, cock?
Okay, I guess it would be cruel to make you fly back.
You can fly!
I'm a bird.
Oh no.
Fall.
Šta je bre ovo bre?
You stupid bastard. We're here.
Oh, shit. And my son hates stairs. So, kids, let's go home.
We're pandas. We don't do stairs.
I've waited my whole life to hear those words.
Oh. This is the secret panda village. No wonder you.
Attack of Titan, ali baš ga je dobro potrefio, znači potrudio se.
But the secret.
Now you can wound.
Everyone, please back!
Why are we running?
Everyone gather around. This is my sauce.
You're like me, but
There!
you're like me, but
Let's feast in my sauce honor. Pandas don't walk. We.
That's the worst fucking blister I've ever seen. Ridiculous? Oh, what are you
Šta? Šta radi?
you're right. That is better than us eating.
What kind of panda doesn't know how to roll?
Well,
What kind of panda are you? You have a funny.
oh, not a panda at all.
What's that?
My-
What's that?
my pi-
What's that?
my wi-
What's that?
Magnum.
Dumplings. No more questions. Go away.
What's that?
Magnum.
Dumplings. No more questions. Go away. Be gone. Baby.
Wings of fifth.
What the fuck are you doing, Phil?
It doesn't mean that you're doing a special move. It's like me saying antenna of Esther or thorax or power sandwiches.
Wings of.
Don't care.
Master Shishifu strong.
Gotta get in there.
Master Shishifu
You're
said.
seriously afraid? You're fucking my chicken.
Hi, how are you?
Bro.
yeah. Oh, yeah. First day of noodles training. All right, you flower. I'm gonna make you bloom.
Still, could be worse.
Yeah. What the fuck? What is it? I'm remembering. What?
Damn junkie! No.
You know, learn to be a pet master. Save the worms. The pet asleep. Sleep till past noon. So lesson number 1 is go back
To the past. Samurai sauce.
Bam. Bada bop. Pow.
Did I oversleep?
For the last 10 years.
Yay! Am I doing it? Is this good? Okay, here we go. I got it!
Skip it about.
Oh, lunchtime.
Jo, majko mila.
You gotta let the hill tell you where to roll.
Why don't you just go down to hell?
Fucking mistake. This sauce, let's show them how we go.
Woo.
You can fly! I'm coming in hot!
Bra. Smrt.
Get my dumplings while they're cold. Whoa. What the hell are you doing there? That food is for Paul.
Let's do it like I can.
Feeling snaxed? Totally. Just let yourself fall into it. Got it.
Ooh.
Shit happens.
What a lovely day. What are you guys looking at?
That's how we roll. How was that? Whoa. No, so don't but again. You try again, but don't get so hard again. Okay. Much better. Come on, I want to show you something. Is this? I had this done on your 100th day. Beautiful, Aiden. Let me get some of that.
No, brat.
It's from the Master Lizard. Master Master
Master.
All of them.
In every village from the sea to village, every master in China has vanished.
Maybe they are all at the party.
Ja, majko mi.
Cock has taken their key. We are all that stand between him and the sky. You way left in our care. And I don't care. Villagers evacuated. No.
Je to bio Payday? Jer ja mislim da jeste.
Nice. How dare you set on these grounds?
Look at you pathetic foofs. Groveling at the feet of Way the Magnificent. I fought by his side. I loved him like a brother. And he set me free. Now I will destroy everything he has created. Come on over here. Zoom on.
Ovo bi bilo jako dobro da MLG ušao ovo. MLG, ali MLG najjači, znači ja ti kažem.
Stop!
Oh no.
Bring the meme to me.
No. You must warn Poe.
Master, please.
No.
Please.
No, please. A fucking cat?
I will show you, little boy. I'll show you the true power of tea, brother.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, what's up?
Hey, hey.
Huh?
What the fuck are you looking at?
Get the fuck up!
What are you doing here?
Hallucinogenic rituals.
Do. It's all gone, Poe. Everything. And every master in China.
Everyone?
Everyone. And now he's on his way here. He's after you.
Šta?
And now he's on his way here. He's after you.
I fucking do find out some sweet man is coming. What am I supposed to do? Just see around. Just let that happen.
Yes! I'm the Dragon Maniac, facing X. That's my charge.
I lost you once. I am going to lose you again.
You just did.
Man! What did Trump do to make this man that mad?
You know, you are the only punk I know.
Oh.
Yeah. You parenthood. What? I know, that was crazy. I didn't really come because I was worried you steal memes from me.
I what?
I know, that was crazy. I was worried about Cole would take over the eyes. But I realized having you in Poe's life was I fucking mistake.
The PC finger hold.
Smith. I just have to get to Kai, grab his dick, and then skadoo. Swoosh back to the fucking back.
He has an army of Jade warriors. Everything they see, they see.
It's gonna work.
He can only be stopped by a master of heat.
You sound just like Shifu with the T. This, that. I'm not. Okay? I don't know if I'm the dragon. I don't even know if I'm a panda.
Okay.
You? Not. That's what Shifu meant. I don't have to meant. I don't have to turn you into me. I have to turn you into you.
That doesn't make any sense.
I know! Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna do something I never thought I'd be able to do. I'm gonna do something.
That log, you! That log like it's the last time you're ever gonna get goodbye forever.
Minecraft!
Go to the level this time, you can do it!
Damn, son.
They are ready. Okay, pay attention, because I'm only gonna go over this 21 more times. The only entrance to the village is here. Kong Squadron will take position here. Now, on my signal, the two squawks will... Right. Anyway, the important thing to remember is that this is the spot where... Okay, saw that coming. If you only remember one thing...
He's here.
Oh.
Oh, that's what I call an entrance.
You must be the fast warrior.
And you must be kind. Beast. Maker of windows.
Finally! Fuck you! Almost makes me want... Spare your me, you.
Oh, you want to spare my you? How about you spare me?
Ooh.
Actually, fuck this. Get that motherfucker.
Ja, brate.
Do it. Punk ass bitch.
Fine. Some good fucking food.
Oh no, Master Shishifu! I can't hit Shishifu!
Had enough yet? I'm ready when you are.
О, брат.
Okay.
Well, it only works
Yeah.
on mortals. And I am a beast boy. Seriously? Skip it up and down.
Fucking Ben Brown.
Whoa! Off me, you! You ban me back.
Don't play me, play like me. I tried to finish this in the regular realm.
And we'll finish it here. Who are you? You don't seem to understand. Chife isn't yours to conquer.
Wow.
It took me 500 years to take Uguay's name. I will have yours if it takes me 500 more! Motherfucker! You're fighting so you can watch everyone around you die! Think, Park! You'll outlast every fragile, insignificant person on this planet! You'll never see this world crumble away! Yay! What will you have after 500 years?
Не могу, видишь, а сам покоєва туди. Во міміс, о, ти ваш найболі, брате, всяка ти част. Ой, Єбати, милий, читаю мобілу. Окей, люди, то было то. Что се тиче, па ми се видимо у следуćem klipu. Pozdrav, čao.